Welcome back to our channel. I'm sure you're here because you went to use your work lights and one's blowed. What do we do? Well, I'm here to show you one easy, simple fix. Don't throw it away and stick around because I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, don't throw your light away. I know it's easy to think that everything's disposable and just go get another one. Unless you don't mind spending some money on getting another one, I'm going to show you how to fix this. So you're probably looking here, how do I get even into that? If you look in there real close, there's a bob in there. Don't make fun of me, I got a purple screwdriver. I robbed Isabella's. Don't tell her. You know, I just grabbed the closest one there is and just happened to be hers. Whoops, dropped this screw. Okay, we took that screw out. Then back behind, right here, there's another screw. And we'll go ahead and get rid of that one. Okay, we got that loosened up. And we will pop this off of here like this. I'll go ahead and put the screw back in here so we don't lose it. This basically don't really come off. You can get it off. There's like little hinges up there, but this is good enough. So we're gonna go to the right. Pull over and kind of see how that came out. See that? So I pulled over like this and then popped out towards you. You want to look at this bob and see if there's any numbers on here somewhere. There's no numbers on this anywhere, but if you look in here, you can see right there, you want a 500 watt max bob to fit in here. It says R7S. That's what you need. Okay, I got it out, and as you saw, it takes an R7S bulb. So I went ahead and researched and found a 2-pack on Amazon for just a couple dollars a piece. Now they offer them for an 8, but why have extra laying around when you only need one right now? But I'm going to go ahead and do the other one as well, because if one goes bad, you know, in a little bit, that one will go bad as well. So let's wait for Amazon to show up tomorrow. Finish the job. Okay, I just realized there's an easier way to do this. But remember, I took this screw out underneath. I'm like, what's that for? Well, you squeeze up on it to bring it up. Like that. And that pops out. So when I took this off, that allowed this to come down out of the way, and then I can get in there a lot easier when I put this ball back in. Well, guess what? Amazon showed up! So what you want to do is get this bad girl out of this package. It's in here like this. I don't think it matters which way you turn it. You just stick that in there and do the opposite of what we did before. Kind of pry it to the right. And it goes right in there. And then I just kind of turn it back and forth just a little bit to make sure it's seated in there properly. We have that in there. We don't want to shut that up because we want to make sure it's going to work. And so I'm going to reach back behind here and push the button. That one works. This one's not working. There, I didn't have it quite turned. So now that works, and this one works, and that one works, and that one works, and we're all happy that everything works. Give this video a thumbs up if this was helpful for you. And we're here to help you save money and time. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time.